guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about a fragrance brand which is Dossier. It's a French based fragrance company which recreate designer luxury perfume at a fraction of cost. Means they give you a high quality fragrance, give you a same fragrance, same feeling, 100% natural, safe and vegan at a fraction of cost, and they give you high quality fragrances. Yes, if you are my regular viewer, you must know this brand because earlier I've already reviewed their two fragrances. So today I'm very excited to share with you another two fragrances with you all, which I have been trying this out. I've been trying these fragrances since last week and I really fall in love with these fragrances. So stay connected with us. If you are new and you don't know about this brand, which is Dossier. First let's talk about this brand. It's a French based luxury perfume which recreate designer perfume at a fraction of cost. They believe in give you a fair quality of fragrances, higher quality, same fragrances only at $29, and their customer service, their refund policy is really remarkable. So let's check it out. I have chosen two fragrances for myself. First floral rose and second is aromatic lime. First look this packaging. This comes with pink color boxing. If I talk about this box and this packaging, is really impressive. It's giftable and really presentable. You can give someone, you can give to your family, your friend, like festive season coming, Christmas, Thanksgiving, you can give this beautiful fragrances to your dear ones. So let's open this box. So it comes with our note, which is everything is written on it. Floral rose, its top notes rose, centophilia, cumin, vetiver, incense, cedarwood, musk, citrus, everything is written on it, and it inspired by Le Labo Rose 31 EUD perfume, and concentration is 18%. Thank you. Our mission is to deliver the higher quality, luxury inspired fragrances at a fair price. Give you a freedom to explore new scents. Yes, because their fragrances start as $29. $29 you don't get anything, but you can get same designer luxury fragrances only at $29. So let's check it. It comes with a small sample size fragrance. If you don't like it, first try this sample size. If you don't like it, you can simply pack this box and return it. You get 100% refund without any shipping cost. Yes, so I think you should must try this fragrance because refund policy. If you don't like it, this fragrance does not suit you on your skin, you get some rashes and all, you can simply refund this. 100% refund policy without any extra charges. So let's open this box. So here is the bottle. Comes with a beautiful glass bottle and a magnetic cap. See, it's really impressive. And see, this box, this bottle is very beautiful. Or so let's take out this fragrance. So spray on your wrist whenever you take bath. Spray on your just right after you take bath and apply on your wrist, your neck, which makes any fragrances long lasting and you will smell good. So just rub, not just harsh, just slightly rub on your wrist. Yes. Oh my god, this fragrance is really feels like this, like I'm smelling roses. It really smells like roses. I can smell roses. Yeah. And first thing, one thing, it's long lasting. Earlier two perfumes I gifted to my brother and my sister, and they really love it, seriously. So first one is floral rose, and I don't know, $29 $39 is cost. I'll just everything I post in my description box, everything I written on this, you can check it out. So This is first fragrances which I have been bought for myself. I have chosen this perfume for myself because I like floral kind of fragrances. So let's open another box. This is Achromatic Lime. See, same packaging, same box. This comes with bright pink color box. Iconic scent, designer quality, no marker. Aquatic Lime, and same thing, comes with a beautiful note and inspired by Giorgio Armani, 12% concentration. Everything is written there, ingredients what they have used in this fragrance, everything is. Dossier order has arrived and now it's time to test your new perfume. Do you love the smell? Yes, I really love the smell. How does it feels on your skin? It smells so amazing, and it's 100% pure, cruelty free, no paraben, no any harsh chemicals they used, and 100% vegan. So what else you want? If you are not in love, you are always able to return your bottle. Simply head to the returns page on Dossier, go to create a return label and ship back to us. They will give you 100% refund. Bottle you will get, this is watermelon, rosemary, cedarwood, ocnos and vetiver. So I haven't used this perfume. I'm using only floral rose. I think this is for men because I can smell lime. Yeah, I can smell lime and jasmine kind of a fragrances, but I really, if I choose one, I always choose floral rose for myself. It smells really good, and this one is, I like this, but I live with this floral rose. So if you want to buy this product and want to try new smell for yourself, so do check out in my description box. Everything is written on there in my description box, their website, everything. And yes, you will get extra 10% discount by using my code Sonia 10 Sonia. And if you are ordering first time from their website, you will get 10% straight away as welcome offer. Yes, if you are ordering first time, you will get 10% special discount, and while checkout use my code 10 Sonia, you will get extra 10% discount. So total straight away you will get only not only 20% discount. So what are you waiting for? Just explore these kind of fragrances. You can get 3 or 5 fragrances only. If you want to try more fragrances, you can buy 3 or 4 fragrances at a cost of one bottle. If you go for any luxury brand, I think all perfume or fragrances goes up to $100, $150, but only $29, $39 you will get, so you can explore new fragrances. You can buy 3 to 4 bottles for yourself. So you must try these fragrances and you really fall in love with, really love these fragrances. So I hope you enjoyed this video, like this video. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and share your opinions and feedback with us. So if you want to buy this product, just click my description box.